Morning everyone. Today's lecture is in continuation of lecture number 8, that is principles of orchard establishment. Now we can calculate number of plants in different systems of planting. The formula for calculating the number of plants in a square and rectangular system is number of plants is equal to area in square meter divided by planting distance. For example, suppose area is 10,000 square meter, that is 1 hectare, and planting distance is 10 into 10 meter. Then number of plants will be 10,000 divided by 10 into 10, it comes to 100. It means 100 plants can be accommodated in square as well as in rectangle system. Now second system of planting is hexagonal system. The formula is used to calculate the number of plants is number of plants is equal to area in square meter divided by planting distance, that is plant into row spacing. Here in case of hexagonal system, ABC is a equilateral triangle and hence in this equilateral triangle BC is equal to AB is equal to AC and all arms are 10 in meter. A perpendicular line AD is drawn on BC which divides it into two halves. It means BD is equal to DC is equal to 5. You see here A into D. Now see the triangle ADC. As per Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AD square plus DC square, or AD square is equal to AC square minus DC square. AC is 10, so 10 chi square, and DC remain half, that is 5 chi square. 100 into 25, it comes to 75. AD square is equal to 75. Now calculate the AD. AD is equal to under root of 75. It comes to 8.66 meter. Thus now row to row distance will be 8.66 meter. Hence number of plants per hectare is equal to 100 by 100 divided by 10 into 8.66. It comes to 115 approximately. The third system is quinquenne system. It is nothing, it is a square system. Only a filler plants is planted in the center of the each square. As the plants are planted additionally in the center of the square, hence first the number of plants is calculated for a square system of planting, and then number of additional plants planted in the center of each square is calculated. Both the numbers are summed up to get total number of plants planted in quinquenne system of planting. Suppose area is 4 hectare and planting distance is 10 into 10 meter. Number of plants in a square system of planting is equal to area in meter divided by planting distance in meter. 100 by 100 into 10 by 10, it comes to 100. Additional plants planted in centers of square will be calculated by using such formula, that is number of rows lengthwise minus 1 multiplied by number of rows widthwise minus 1. In 100 by 100 square meter field, if planting distance is 10 by 10 meter, the number of rows lengthwise and widthwise will be 10 and 10. Hence number of the plants 10 minus 1 into 10 minus 1, it 9 into 9, it comes to 81. Total number of plants is equal to plants planted in a square system of planting plus additionally planted plants in the center of square. 100 plus 81, it comes to 181. Thus in quinquenne system of planting almost 2 times plants, that is 181, are accommodated in comparison to square system of planting, that is 100. Other methods of calculating number of plants per unit area, square system, P is equal to A upon L chi square, where P is equal to plant population, A is area and L arm of square or distance of planting. Rectangle system, P is equal to A upon L1 into L2, where P is plant population, A is area, L1 row distance and L2 plant distance. Triangle system, P is equal to A upon d square into 0.866, where P plant population, S area, and D is equal to length of the triangle arm. Now come to the planting. Depending upon planting distance, spot is marked in the field. Appropriate size pit ranging from 30 to 60 cubic centimeter size depending upon growth stature of tree to be planted is dug out. While digging pit, the upper half portion of excavated soil is left one side and the bottom half left another side. The pit after digging is left exposed to sun for about 15 days. The exposition help facilitates the killing of harmful microbes inhabiting inside the soil. The pit is filled using a portion of upper part of excavated soil, a portion of well-rotten FIM and a handful of carbaryl or quinol phos dust. The pit is filled 5 centimeters high from ground level. A peg is inserted in between the center of pit and it is left out as such, which gets settled after receipt of monsoon rains. It is better to dig out the pit during hotter months of May. The planting is done during monsoon. Of course, pit preparation, if undertaken during winter, planting may be preferably during February, March, and those the evergreen plants along with the root ball intact during rainy season. Planting distance, it is also important. It is based on the growth and development of the plants. Here some examples are given for your reference. The plants are planted at proper spacing so as to favor proper growth of shoot and root. A properly spaced plant grows and develops in a proper canopy and produces proper yield and quality of produce. Closely spaced plants suffer a lot from insect pest and disease attack and fail to produce proper crop in want of adequate nourishment and also due to poor exposure to solar radiation. So here your consideration should be that plants should receive proper photolight, receive proper air to reach each and every part of the plants, and leaves should not become host, that is depend on the upper leaves for food point of view. So plants should be exposed towards sunlight, towards air properly and give them proper spacing for the development. Depending upon soil, climate, type of plant, technique of cultivation, etc., proper spacing for different food crops are as under. Apple is planted 5 into 6 into 5 into 6, that is either 5 into 5 meter, 5.5 into 5.5 meter or 6 into 6 meter. Amla 8 into 8 meter, avocado 7 into 7 meter, bale 8 into 8 meter, banana 1.8 to 1.8 meter, bear 6 into 6 meter, cashew nut 8 into 8 meter, citrus 5 to 6 into 5 to 6 meter, coconut 7.5 to 7.5 meter, custard apple 6 into 6 meter, date palm 6 into 6 meter, fig 5 into 5 meter, guava 6 into 6 meter, grape 3 into 3 meter, jackfruit 8 into 8 meter, jamun 8 into 8 meter, care 3 into 3 meter, karonda 2 into 2 meter, khirni 6 by 6 meter, lychee 8 by 8 meter, locust 6 into 6 meter, mango 8 into 8 meter, mango in high density planting 2.5 into 2.5 meter, mulberry 6 into 6 meter, papaya 2 into 2 meter, falsa 2.5 into 2.5 meter, pineapple 25 into 25 into 90 centimeter, pomegranate 5 into 5 meter, sapota 8 into 8 meter, tamarind 8 into 8 meter. In Savai Madhopur, guava is generally planted at 6 into 6 meter. So you should read these different planting distances adopted for different food plants, and these are the basic consideration. It is only established for the growth and development of the plants. Thank you for patience hearing.